EVOO. Now, repeat it after me. EVOO. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. EVOO stands for extra virgin olive oil, which is the highest quality olive oil made from pure cold-pressed olives. It's known for its rich flavor and health benefits, often used in cooking, salad dressings, and as a finishing oil for dishes. EVOO is prized for its low acidity and fresh taste, making it a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. Think of it like this. EVOO is the finest version of olive oil, known for its rich flavor and health benefits, often enjoyed in both cooking and finishing dishes. In a sentence, I always drizzle EVOO over my salads to add a rich, fresh taste. Here, EVOO refers to the use of high-quality olive oil in a salad. Let's try another example. Chefs love using EVOO as a finishing oil to enhance the flavor of their dishes. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence. Synonyms. Some related terms for EVOO are cold-pressed olive oil made through a method that preserves its quality. Premium olive oil. High-quality olive oil known for its superior flavor and health benefits. Antonyms. The opposite of EVOO would be refined olive oil that has been processed and lacks the quality or flavor of EVOO. Standard cooking oil, a more processed and lower quality oil used in general cooking. Part of speech is a noun referring to extra virgin olive oil, a high-quality olive oil used in cooking and finishing dishes. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.